But the story of St. Mary's Cathedral truly begins in the early 19th century. For centuries, Catholics in Ireland were restricted by penal laws that limited public worship and church building. That began to change with Catholic Emancipation in 1829, which restored religious freedom and renewed confidence within the Catholic community. In Kilkenny, the existing place of worship, St. James's Chapel, was no longer sufficient for a growing congregation. In 1842, a young and ambitious bishop named William Kinsella, just 33 years old, announced plans for a new cathedral, one that would reflect both spiritual devotion and renewed Catholic identity. The chosen site, James's Street, was deeply symbolic. It had once been home to Ireland's first Catholic college after the easing of penal laws. Construction began in April 1843, and later that year, Bishop Kinsella laid the foundation stone. Tragically, Bishop Kinsella would never see his vision completed. He died in 1845, while the walls were still only a few feet high. His successor, Bishop Edward Walsh, took on the enormous task of continuing the project, even as Ireland descended into the devastation of the Great Famine. Despite unimaginable hardship, poverty, and loss of life, the people of the Diocese of Ossory continued to support the cathedral's construction through donations, parish collections, and sheer determination. The cathedral was designed by architect William Dean Butler in the early English Gothic revival style, inspired by medieval English cathedrals such as Gloucester. Built from locally quarried limestone, it rises to a height of approximately 186 feet, symbolizing hope, endurance, and faith reaching heavenward. After 14 years of work, St. Mary's Cathedral was finally completed and consecrated on October 4, 1857. The ceremony was extraordinary. It began at dawn and lasted nearly 3 hours. Special trains brought visitors from across Ireland, and thousands gathered in Kilkenny to witness the historic occasion. Inside, the cathedral reveals a cruciform layout with a soaring nave, transepts, and a richly decorated sanctuary. The high altar, crafted from Italian marble, contains sacred relics brought from Rome. Among the most treasured artworks is a sculpture of the Madonna by renowned Italian artist Giovanni Maria Benzoni. Over time, St. Mary's Cathedral continued to evolve. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, mosaics, marble features, choir stalls, and stained glass were added. Following the reforms of the Second Vatican Council in the 1960s, the sanctuary was adapted to reflect new liturgical practices while still respecting the building's historic character. In recent decades, further restoration has ensured the cathedral remains both beautiful and functional, with renewed windows, updated lighting, and modern liturgical furnishings. Today, more than 160 years after its consecration, St. Mary's Cathedral remains a living place of worship. It continues to host daily Mass, major diocesan celebrations, weddings, ordinations, and moments of quiet prayer. More than stone and glass, St. Mary's Cathedral stands as a testament to the faith and perseverance of generations, a powerful reminder of how belief, even in the darkest of times, can create something enduring, beautiful, and deeply meaningful.